Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up NinjaTrader. First, download the platform from the official website. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch the application. You will then choose your connection type, deciding whether to connect to a live trading account or begin with a simulated account for practice. This initial step is crucial for accessing the platform's full capabilities. Next, you will connect your data feed. Navigate to the control center and access the Connections menu. Here, you will configure your specific broker or data feed settings. It is essential to input your credentials precisely to establish a successful link. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection to receive real-time market data without interruption. Confirm the connection status in the bottom left corner of the platform. Now let's customize your workspace. From the Control Center, open a new chart window. You can add numerous indicators, such as moving averages or Bollinger Bands, and drawing tools to analyze market movements. Personalize chart properties like the bar type, perhaps choosing a 1-minute or 5-minute interval, and adjust the time frame to suit your strategy. Remember to save your unique workspace for quick access later. Finally, you are ready to place your first trade, ideally in a simulated environment. Open a Super DOM or Chart Trader window for your chosen instrument. Select an order type, such as a market order or a limit order, and specify your desired quantity, perhaps 10 contracts. Input your price levels carefully. Practicing extensively in simulation is crucial to understanding order execution and managing risk before transitioning to live trading.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.